So you're thinking about getting started with Color Street and you want to know what is in the box. My name is Tony Delinka. I'm currently a Senior Executive Director with Color Street and the founder of Team Glitter Gals, and I'm here to tell you what's in the box. So let's get started right away. The first thing that you get in your kit is 13 sets of nail strips. That includes 2 solids, glitters, glitter designs, nail art designs, pedicure sets, and a French set. It also includes 72 two-finger testers. Those are our accent packs or our samples, and it includes glitters, solids, and glitter designs, so there's something for everyone to try. It also includes buffer blocks. Those are great for giveaways. Large nail files, and then we go down to the second level. Here we have our welcome letter, our how to apply and tips for the perfect application, a Color Street tote, nail polish remover pads, nail polish prep pad, little mini nail files, cuticle sticks, the opportunity brochure, the current catalog, and a Road to Success packet. This is to help you get started with everything you need right away. Not only do you get everything that you see here, but when you click that button to get your kit, you will also get an email with your own personal shopping link so you can get started right away. You don't need to wait for your kit to arrive to start your business. Friends and family and you can start shopping right away. So, are you ready to start your Color Street business today?